Hello, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Justice, and this is MrJay Graphics. All right. On today's tutorial, I'm going to introduce this very good website. You can download PNG designs right there. Okay, PNG designs. It helps you to make work easy. All right. So if you are doing um if you are doing designs or any kind of project work, you can use these pictures for your design. Somebody will say, what is PNG design? I mean PNG pictures. you know you can see some pictures, they have already removed the background. Any picture you download from the internet which has been already removing, which they have already removed the background, is called PNG. All right, it's PNG. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is PNG. Whoa, PNG, stands for. So let's see. Okay, so PNG in shortcut form means portable network graphics. All right, so definitely that should tell you it's graphics. It talks about graphics. All right. It talks about graphics. So that's what I'm going to take you to this massive site. You can get PNG pictures. All right, so let's jump right into the video. Okay, so the name of the site is called wing wing PNG. All right, wings PNG, that's right here. Okay, so after search on your Google, what you have to do, I mean, is it called Google or Google? Google or Google. I mean, this name keeps, the pronunciation keeps this is Google, right? Google or Google. No, this is Google, because the Google is Go is Google, Charlie. This is not what we came here for. So you click on this link right here. Okay, so now this is the site. This is the site, and they have given you a search bar right here. So whatever you want to search, um whatever you want to search, you can just search on the bar, on the search bar right here, and you get it. All right, so yeah, this is Twitter logo. So if you need Twitter logo, there's no need to go to Google and search, because when you go to Google, you definitely have to, once you, sometimes when you search it on Google, you get the icon attached with background. So you have to, removing the background before you can use the logo. But here it has already been, removed. The background is already, so you can see this is this transparent background. So let me search for this. Assuming if you want to design church harvest, so let me search for vegetable, and see, they are going to give you very nice, you see, this is very colorful pictures, right? So in case you want to do, just look at this one. If you are using this one for your harvest or church envelope design, it's very beautiful. Yeah, it's very, very beautiful. Just look at that. Just look at this. Very nice. Just look at this, look at this, look at this. This is very awesome, you know. Yeah, this is very awesome. That's it. Look at this. This, if you are, at least if you want to design anything about fruits, you know, anything about food, vegetables, you can get this. You can get all these pictures right here. So what are you waiting for? Just log into Google and then search for these things. This is very, very beautiful, very colorful. Look at this. Assuming if you want to design shito, if you want to design shito label, or you know, I mean, you can get all this right here. Let me search for this and see palm. Let me see if they will give it to me. Of course, they will give it to me. This is it. This is palm, right? So if you are designing anything about palm, look at this. Wow, this is very beautiful. Wow, this is beautiful. If you are designing anything about beach, you can also use this. It's the coconut trees, and you can use all this. Look at this, very beautiful. Hello, buddies. You can use this, right? What are you waiting for? Look at this, very beautiful. So these are the sites you can find pictures. That's the transparent pictures for your design. PNG, the background has already been taken off, and so you can use this. Let me search for Jesus and see if they will give it to me. So the only thing you have to do is just get your what? Your bundle, and you get to go your internet, and this is it. Very beautiful, right? Let me search for something.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I mean, this is not part of the design, right? But yeah, I just need some fonts. I just need some fonts.
Artlist.io.
Okay, so I'm definitely going to download this. I'm going to download this font. All right. I download with IDM, Internet IDM, right? So this is how it is, you know. You can get what else should I say? And I have to search for something else. So what is that? Okay, let me search for, let me say, laundry. Is that the correct word? Okay, so laundry. So in case you want to, if you want to design laundry flyer, and then you are looking for resources, these are all the pictures that can help you to design. You know, those of you who always design, those of us design this kind of, you know, work, removing shirts, clothings and all this, you know, it's not easy. Yeah, it's not easy at all. Whenever you want to remove the background of this t-shirts and all that, it's not easy. So the best thing is come to this site,
Music
wins
licensing reimagined.
PNG, then you get what you want and you go. So I mean, using all these pictures for your work, isn't that beautiful? It is. Let me search for house. Yeah. So assuming you are designing anything about house,
MrJay.io.
you can get these pictures right here. You know, some of us sometimes when we are designing a house, anything about house, let's say you are designing
Music licensing reimagined.
you are designing um house building, you know, you are designing some flyer for buildings, you know, these are kind of pictures that you need for your design. So it's very simple, right? Of course it is.
Artlist.io.
Let me search for love and see what they will give me. Okay, so if
Reimagined.
Valentine is approaching and you are looking for some resources for your Valentine, here we go. You can get all this for the Valentine, right? Yeah. So let me search for phones. Those of you, if you are designing, if you
Artlist.io.
want to design phones, phone shop, a banner for a phone shop,
Artlist.io.
mobile. Let me search that and see. Okay, so these are some of the many resources that you need
Music
you need
licensing
to
reimagined.
download for your works. All right, all these when you add it to your design, it's going to make your design very attractive. Of course, let me search for makeup. Those who are designing makeups, yeah, just look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You know,
Artlist.io.
removing all this, if you get this, all these pictures from Google and removing the background is not easy, man. It's not easy. And even if you download it with a background to get the quality and the best,
Music
you it's
licensing
not easy, man. It's not easy. It's not easy. So the best way is come directly to the site and download anything for yourself. Just look at this. If you take your time, download these resources and use them um, for your makeup designs. Trust me, you're gonna love it. You're gonna
Artlist.io.
love it. So this is very beautiful, right? This is very beautiful. This is amazing and very, very beautiful. What else should I search for? What else?
Music
What
licensing
else? What else? Let me search for Barbara. Is it what? I don't know if I've got the word right. Okay. So barbering shop resources. These are all here, man. You can use all of these for your designs, right? Sure.
Music licensing via Melody.
These are all the things that you need, So PNG wing. Okay, so this is the name right here, pngwings.com. So I introduced this site to you if you are graphic designer or if you do most of projects that they keep asking you to get some pictures, and maybe your lecturer is not happy you using some of pictures with a background. So I introduce this to you right here. Please do me a favor, go to my YouTube channel.
Music
Just
licensing via
do me a
Melody.
favor, subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right, subscribe to the YouTube channel right here. Do me a favor. This is MrJay Graphics.
Hello guys, welcome back to
Where
my YouTube channel once
designs
again.
comes to life. Where designs comes to life. That is our slogan. Where designs comes to life. I'm going to explain that. The reason why I'm saying where design comes to life, I'm definitely going to make a video on that, and then I'll explain reason why designs comes to life. All right. So guys, these are a couple of designs I've done. When you visit the channel, you're going to see a couple of designs that I've created. I did this all because I want you to know how to use the Photoshop, and I want you to know how to create design for yourself. All right. So thank you so much, guys, and keep just click on the subscribe button. All right, subscribe. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. I just want to wish all my subscribers happy Easter. And then I wanted to design Easter.
SIO.
I should have designed Easter. Easter. Okay, I'll try. I'm going to design Easter flyer, and I'm going to post it. Yeah. Jesus is risen, and I have to create a video about that. So wait for that video, and I'm going to drop that soon. All right. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for being part of this awesome family. Please do me a favor, if you find this video helpful, click on the like button. Please, I beg you in the name of God, like this video for me, please. Okay, don't forget that Jesus loves you. I'm going to see you on my next video.